Yung istorya talaga niyan, meron kami sa grupo. Gusto
Pablo's revelations on Josh Collins' issue after Abra's diss track. Yes, Pablo revealed what really happened with Josh Collins after Abra's diss track in his guesting with Looney's Break It Down rap battle review.
yung istorya talaga niyan, meron kami sa grupo. Gusto niya pumalag, gusto niya
okay.
pumalag. Syempre kami, as a group kami, kung wala naman kaming plano, wala kaming vision, kung wala kaming linyang sinusundan, pwede naman. Kasi ano yun exercise yun.
Totoo.
As an artist, gusto mo rin talagang sinusubok, challenge yung sarili mo na lumaban sa mga ganyan, lalo na ano yan art din yan music.
Totoo.
So, meron kaming kagrupo na gusto niya. Sabi ko, kalmahan mo lang. Lalabas tayo ng kanta na malupitan. Talaga yung pasabog, yung madidinig na lahat ng tao, ano yung gusto nating sabihin.
So, Josh was about to retaliate and make a diss track of his own, but Pablo advised him to wait. At imbis na solo song ni Josh, they made a group song and that is Dungka. And with this, isa itong pagpapakita that the four of them rallies behind Josh. No wonder din na sa kanilang rap battle scene sa Dungka, si Josh ang nauna bilang siya ang inatake and then followed by Pablo bilang backup and suporta naman dito. Once again, ginawa nilang art and inspiration ang atake laban sa kanila. And this is SB19's power. Ginagawa nilang stepping stones ang lahat ng hates and attack to reach greater heights.